welcome to Hazel Me. In this video I will show you hairstyles using Dutchbraid. If you don't know how to Dutchbraid, you can first click to this link to see my video on how to Dutchbraid. Now let's start with this video.
The first hairstyle will be a simple big Dutchbraid. So I will first take a small piece, divide it into 3 sections and start a Dutchbraid. So I will add hair in one side, cross it under and then add hair in the other strand. And I will just keep going, doing the same and adding all the hair. Don't you worry if you have some bumps in the middle of it, because at the end you can fix them with bobby pins or hair clips. Now once I have added all the hair, I just keep doing a regular braid. So now I will fix any bump I have. And I could leave the braid like that, which is perfect for doing sport, any kind of activity, but as you know I like to pinch them so they look fluffier and more voluminous. So here you have it. This is the first hairstyle. The second hairstyle will be a half up. So I'm going to divide the hair and separate the top part until the back where I want my bun to be. So I will take the rest of the hair and put it out of my way. Now I can start working and do a super short Dutchbraid. Now I pinch the braid so it is more visible. And now it's time to put the hair elastic to secure it. You could leave it like that, but as I told you, I want to do a bun. To give some texture to the bun, I will do a normal 3-strand braid, quite loose and fluffy. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look quite good. I pinch it and I will use a braid to do my little bun. Twist it and I'm using bobby pins to secure it. Do the final touches. And here you have it. This is my second hairstyle. This third hairstyle is one of my favorites. I will do 3 small Dutchbraids super attached to my head. So first I will divide the part where I want my little braids to be, and I will put the rest of the hair out of my way. So now I'm starting the braids and I will divide this hair into 3 small sections. So this will be braid number 1 or number 3 actually. I take it out of my way into two other sections, which will be braid number 1 and number 2. I will start with this one, which actually will be the tiniest due to my ear. So I will start a normal Dutch braid, but it is super small. Still, the process is always the same. Just keep adding hair each time you cross a strand. And now that you have it, you secure this braid with a hair elastic. Here you have the first one. Now we go into the second. Again, we divide it and start a normal Dutch braid. And now on to the third one. Again, secure it with the hair elastic, and here you have it. I think it's super cute hairstyle. Super easy and very comfortable actually. You could leave them like that if you have a straight hair, but I will curl it a little bit to give more volume and more fanciness.
So those were some hairstyles using Dutch braids. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below which was your favorite hairstyle, and also if you tried one of those at home. Please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned because very soon I will post more hairstyle videos. See you next time!